If you're facing issues with the Xbox app not launching games on Windows 11, stick around for the next 10 seconds. I'll provide you with quick and effective fixes to get your games up and running. Stay tuned. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Microsoft Store in the text field at the top, and click on the relevant search result. Click on the library icon near the bottom left corner. Now, click the Get Updates button to scan for newer versions of the Xbox app. If one is listed after the scan, download it. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app and select the Time and Language tab from the ones listed in the navigation pane on the left. Next, click on the date and time on the right. Now disable the Set Time Automatically option by clicking on the toggle. Click on the Change button next to the Manually Set the Date and Time option. Now set the correct date and time and click on Change at the bottom to apply the changes. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app and select Gaming from the list of tabs in the navigation pane on the left. Click on Game Mode on the right. If it is enabled, click on the toggle to disable Game Mode. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu, enter Services in the text field at the top, and click on the relevant search result. Now, please scroll down and locate all the gaming services entries here. Right-click on them and select Restart from the context menu. Similarly, locate all the Xbox services here, right-click them and select Restart. If these are not running, right-click and select Start to run the service. Press Windows plus I to launch Settings and select Apps from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Next, click on Apps and Features on the right. Locate the Gaming Services app, click on the ellipsis next to it, and select Advanced Options from the menu. Now click on the Repair button. Once the repair process is complete, navigate to the desktop, press Alt plus F4 to launch the Shutdown Windows box, and select Restart from the drop-down menu. Click OK to restart the computer. After the system restarts, check if you can launch the games that didn't open earlier. If the error persists, go to Advanced Options for the Gaming Services again, and click on Reset. Click Reset on the confirmation prompt that pops up. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.